Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today we're doing number 28, prompt number 28 for Journal January 2024, and that prompt is geometric. And the other day when I was looking through my little Japanese picture book, they have so many cute little things in here. I came across this and I thought, well, that's perfect for geometric because geometric means lines, straight lines, curved lines, squares, circles, that kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is take my inspiration from this, but I'm going to just kind of draw a little spot here because I don't want to paint on here, but I'm going to take my paint pens, my Posca paint pens, and I'm just going to use this as my inspiration to maybe continue the design. So we have this color and sort of this color. We have got a green. I'm going to use a lighter green. We have got a blue, and I've only got dark and light, and I think this one would be better. We have got yellow. I don't know if I want thick or little ones, so I'm going to get them all out. We've got some white. Got a thick one and a skinny one. And this is kind of like a red, so we'll get our red out. Also got this, this color. We could use two, I think. So those are all the colors that I'm going to be probably using. And so let's just start. And I'm going to speed this up because my last video was so long. It was like half an hour long, and that's ridiculous as far as I'm concerned. So I'm just going to work on this and speed it up, and then we'll come back at the end. ended up getting a little paint on here. I don't know how, but I must have done that. So as you can see, I'm pretty much almost copied this. But I'm letting it dry, and then I'm going to see if I can put like a yellow thing and these white lines. And also a purple. I'm wondering if that will show up or mess up, but we'll find out, won't we? So let's go ahead and let's just do it and see what happens. I can do another coat. Yeah, that's very, I think it needs to, maybe darker purple would be better. Like this one. Yeah, let's do darker purple. I think that would work better. Yeah. There's that. I think it had like a ring around it. Like it looks like it comes like this. So we're going to do that too. There. And let's see. I got a white line coming like this, but I'm afraid I'm going to ruin it if white doesn't work. Like I can see it's not showing up very well on here either. I got more than one white. Let's see if another one works better. Oh. It's almost like clear. That one's definitely not going to work. That's showing up the best. Let's try it. We're going to go from here to, let's just do it. There we go. That doesn't look bad. And sort of like, let's do this. Might have to do a second coat, but there's that. And then we're going to put yellow up here. And hope that it works. Yeah, it should work. So we're just going to go like this. We might also have to, looks like a banana. And then down here, and we will put a second coat on these in a minute, but first let's get this down. I think we should go ahead and put this down. And yeah, unfortunately I see that I messed up a little bit. I splattered paint on it. That's what it is. Splattered paint. This is so not me. I like the bright colors, but I'm not a modern artist, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I am. I had these out. I was thinking about using these, but then I decided to just go ahead and try to copy the design to the best of my ability. That's what I did, and this is geometric. And then I'm just going to glue this onto the page that I believe I skipped. Let's make sure we're doing it the right way. There we go. What do you think? Not bad. It's not my favorite, that's for sure. I'm going to let this all dry, and then I will go back over the parts that I think need to have more on them, and I'll be back. So I think I may have said the wrong number before. It's actually 29. I don't know if I said 28 or 29, but this is 29. And I am going to just tape this down. And I think if I were to do something like this again, I might use a paintbrush. You can see like some of these marks that are showing through. I guess I could do that. The white did not cover up as much as I thought it would. But it looks okay. But like I said, this is not my my usual kind of spread, so I'm gonna cut myself some slack. And we're just gonna go ahead and tape this on to this page over here. And we'll be done with that. And I'll put a number on it. 29. 29 was geometric. Totally not my thing. But I had fun doing it, though. That was fun. I mean, it was fun to try something new. Not something I'll probably do very often. But that's what's so great about Junk Journal January and Junk Journal July, is that you try new things, and you might find something that you really love, a new technique or a new look. And this isn't one of mine, but I do like these little things. So maybe I will try something like that again. Who knows? Not in this journal, though. Maybe in an art journal. I do have an art journal. I could get another one of those Japanese little pictures and try it. Oh, that's an idea. But the one with the mountains and the rivers, I could try doing that. I think I will, actually. See now? It did inspire me to try something new. Well, that page is kind of messed up, like you can see it down here and here, but that's alright. And that was 29, so I'm going to get a 2 and a 9 out. And I think we'll just put it right here. 2, 9. We are almost done with Junk Journal January, and I have to say I'm getting a little sad that it's almost over. I don't know what I'll do after this. I do have a lot of videos saved up, so I have the whole month of February already filled, but not every single day, but most of the days, and going into March. So I still want to film my sit-down video talking about getting older and life-changing events that have happened, but for now, this is 29, and it was geometric, and then 30 is going to be travel, and 31 is reflect. So I haven't done grungy yet. Grungy's going to probably go here. Maybe travel will go here. I can do something with maps, maybe, because I don't travel. And then reflecting would just be maybe about like my thoughts about, I mean, you could reflect on anything, really. It doesn't have to be Junk Journal January that you're reflecting on. Maybe I can reflect on some other life events. Who knows? But till we meet again, stay happy, healthy, strong, courageous, warm, and dry. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.